some chocolate plates. There you go. Thank you. And chocolate milk.
Oh, she ordered chocolate milk too.
Thank you. Buddy. Here you go. Thank you. Give me chocolate milk.
Okay, now it's Emily's turn. It's Emily's turn to take Campbell's order.
There you go. Thank you. Now get it off. What do you like? You want chocolate cone? No. Mustard? No. Sandwich? No. Say yes. Yes. You want chocolate sandwich? No. Say yes. Yes. Here you go. Okay. You may come in. You may come in, Campbell. What do you like? Chocolate milk. Here you go. There you go.
He said thank you.
Okay. There you go. Now it's Campbell's turn again to order mine.
Okay, Campbell, it's time to go and take Emily's order. It's time for her to order some food.
Chocolate milk, please. There you go. Thank you. And chocolate cones. Chocolate cones. There you go.
Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Booty.